How you doing, YouTube? This is Chris from Taylor Customs. Hey, we're doing that engine rebuild on that Kubota V3800 turbocharged engine for our Rayco 100 LGP, and I've been asked a few questions with regards to painting it. There's not a lot of solutions, and Kubota doesn't have a lot of information on it. So today I'm going to share with you, because we just got our head back from NASCO here in Saco, Maine. They rebuilt our head, did a fantastic job. And everything, and you know, who wants to put back a dirty engine with no paint on it, right? No one, at least I don't. So no further ado, I'm going to show you what we did. Here's our head, and so that's a new head that we got from back from NASCO, all painted and everything. Here's our bell housing. And for everybody that's looking for Kubota paint, here is the Kubota paint and the number for your industrial engines that you need to actually do this. That paint is rated to 500 degrees F, which is significantly more than the 180 your engine should see, 220 max. So just something to think about when you're rebuilding these engines. There is paint available. And it looks really nice, lays out really nice, and it looks really nice. So hopefully that helps you guys out in the future. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. For sure, it's free. Hit the like button. It helps the channel, helps when we're doing these builds. We got a couple cool projects coming up that we're going to be doing here in the shop. A few new pieces of equipment that we have in here, yeah, so hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.